Psalms 110:1 The Lord said unto my Lord, Sit thou at my right hand, until I make thine enemies thy footstool. Psalms 110:2 The Lord shall send the rod of thy strength out of Zion, rule thou in the midst of thine enemies. Psalms 110:3 They compassed me about also with words of hatred, and fought against me without a cause. Psalms 110:4 For my love thee are my adversaries, but I give myself unto prayer. Psalms 110:5 The Lord at thy right hand shall strike through kings in the day of his wrath. Psalms 110:6 He shall judge among the heathen, he shall fill the places with the dead bodies, he shall wound the heads over many countries. Psalms 110:7 He shall drink of the brook in the way, therefore shall he lift up the head.